Hello, my name is Natalie and I'm an instructor of Neurographica at Neurographic Academy. And today we just had a wonderful class about fall equinox. We worked with identifying the old and releasing the old, letting go of the old and bringing in the new. Fall this time of the year when the day is equal to the night, it's very special because the energies are changing and we are able to reassess and change what we want to no longer have in our lives. So if you want to change your habits, or let go of toxic relationships, or even declutter your house, this is a good time, perfect time to do it. So with Neurographica, it's very easy to get into the flow and it helps you set up your mind. You still need to take the actions. You still need to throw away the things that you don't actually need. But it's going to be much easier if you have drawn already a drawing about it. It kind of gives your mind a map of what to do, and it starts doing it. It's much easier. It's fun. It's creative. It brings you so much joy and you feel very energized, very uplifted after such a class. And all the students get great results implementing what they want in their lives and bringing the positive outcomes in their lives. So this class is available in recording if you want to purchase it, or you can also check our other classes. We have over 60 different workshops and classes. We have courses. If you want to learn Neurographica in depth with 8 algorithms, with certification and many options for you to study. So come study with us and start transforming your life to the better one. Start living an abundant and happy life. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you.